Birds of Prey is a magnificent film. Okay, fuck. Completely unscripted. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of videos going around lately of people saying that Birds of Prey is too woke and too feminist. Holy shit, ignore them. It's it's such an incredible movie. It's beautiful in the cinematography. Margot Robbie is Harley Quinn. Just I know everyone says it, but she is the perfect Harley Quinn. She is Harley Quinn when she plays the role anyway. But it's like a mix of Deadpool and John Wick. And just that should get you excited. It's so funny too. It gets sad at some moments. And it's R rated. Another plus that makes it better than Shazam. It's R rated. Uh, but like with all these videos talking about how it's too woke, I feel like it's gotten to the point where people are arguing about anything that is that makes women feel empowered. Like I'm not a feminist. Well, I mean, I'm not a modern feminist that hates men for no reason. I mean, I don't like Batwoman. That sounds like a shit series. Things like that. But Birds of Prey is so good. It doesn't contain almost any things about men rule the world. It's a men's world. Women can't do anything. It doesn't say that at all. At all. And Ewan McGregor's Black Mask, I was not expecting him to be that brutal. In fact, I wasn't expecting him to have that personality at all. I thought he was going to be more like a Deathstroke, badass with a gun. He's a mercenary. He's not. He's more like the Penguin or what's his face, the guy from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. It's way too perfect. The screen was way too dark just then. Boom. Problem solved. What's it? Wilson Fisk? It's kind of like that, but he's more like a baby. He gets everything he wants basically, and it's so brutal. And I did not know this because I'd never heard of Black Mask before this movie. That it might not even be in the thing in the comics, but his icon, his calling card, is peeling off people's faces. You and mild spoiler. This isn't really a spoiler. It's just a joke from the movie that I really want to say. The first time you're introduced to Black Mask, played by Obi-Wan Kenobi, um, is when he's got a family of three, a father, a wife, and a daughter, and he's hanging them upside down, and one by one he's peeling off their faces, and that alone is just like, oh shit, that is horrifying to watch. But then it gets to the daughter, and he's like, you know what? I think I'm gonna let her go. And then he looks at her face. He's like, ew, is that a snot bubble? Never mind, kill her. That was really funny, but also really sad. It's his character is just amazing. I It feels weird to say that it is a Harley Quinn movie. It has the longest title ever, though, that I'm not even gonna bother trying to remember. It's Birds of Prey, the something something of Harley Quinn. I don't know. It's longer than that. The action sequences are just amazing. And they're hilarious too. Like, as I said, Deadpool and John Wick. Deadpool's hilarious, John Wick's badass. It's a mix of both. She keeps breaking people's legs. I don't know what's up with Harley Quinn and breaking people's legs, but she keeps doing it. So, everyone needs to watch this movie. It's such a miraculous movie. I love it so much. And so on the critical scale, it's always wet for some reason. Um, I don't know. I didn't plan this. I didn't plan this. Why am I making this? 9 out of 10 because the hyena doesn't look. It looks realistic. It doesn't look like a. You know that thing with CGI animals where they just look like they don't fit in. It's like that. but that's it. Well, okay, there are obviously more mistakes than that, but I'm not gonna. But this is completely unscripted. Third time I've said that. I have not watched the movie multiple times. I just got back from seeing it the first time. I just want to make a quick, small review. Say to the three people that are gonna watch this, go watch the movie. It's magnificent.